how to trade players on FPL. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily trade players on FPL. First things first, open up your FPL app and then go to the fantasy section on the bottom. There you'll find pick team, tap on it, and here you'll have all the players that you have selected. Now if you want to trade someone, just tap on the player, and then there you'll find the profile and the substitute option on the bottom. Just hit substitute, and then uh, on the bottom you'll find the list of players that you can substitute from, and then just tap on it, and there you go. The players have been traded. You just need to hit confirm on the top right after you're done. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.